Being with you feels like home. I feel so blessed to have met you and so grateful that we made the choice to hold on to what we found. You've helped me navigate rough waters and kept me on the right path at every turn. Thank you for your honesty, love, unwavering support, advice when it's needed, and for pushing me to do and be better.
B. Today I choose you not just for this moment, but for every moment that will follow. I promise to love you in the loud days and the quiet ones. When life feels easy and when it asks more from us, I vow to listen with patience, speak with kindness, and hold your heart as carefully as my own.
Excited na! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Singupin ka, girl.
Sana ko. Nagka-pwede. Uy, diba? Nice. Nice siya.
Laya na lagi ni.
Kiss-kiss ko ko. Kiss-kiss na ko ko.
Today, I say I do, but to me, that means I will. I will take your hand and stand by your side in the good and the bad. I dedicate myself to your happiness, success, and smile. I will love you forever. I choose you and promise to choose you as my husband every day we wake.
Ayaw ninyo kalimti ang pagpangutana. Pangutana gid mo. Diha sa pagpangutana, mausab ang imong hunahuna. Mausab ang imong nahibalan. Ayaw kaulaw or ayaw kahadlok nga mangutana sa imong partner. And then aron ma-verify or masuportaran ang imong mga questions, kinahanglan basahon imong mga sinyalis.
I dedicate myself to your happiness, success, and smile. I will love you forever. I choose you and promise to choose you as my husband every day we wake. I will love you in the word and deed. B, I love you.
Nadala ng daigdig. Sa dami ng nangyayari,
Dagan kayo taas kita o kuan sa struggle sa life and sa itong pag-years. Antod karon nga. Abot na din. Ang hilak mo. Thank you po ka. Thank you guys. Nating nara ka diyan perminti sa kilit. Love kay tita sa tanan-tanan. Huwag ka naman. I love you so much.
kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibigat na ang iyong dibdib. Ika'y sasalubungin.
B, you are the love of my life. Salamat sa tanan. Salamat kay imo kong gidawat kung unsa ko. Salamat sa patience nimo throughout 10 years nga nag-uyab ta and karon. Finally, I am so proud na ingnon nga asawa nimo.
Kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibigat na ang isang sulyap mo lang. Tila ako'y hanggan mo na.
I choose to grow with you, to learn from you, to fight for us even when it's hard, and to never stop choosing you again and again. I love you so much, B.